First step is to take the watermelon and rinse it. It's very important to wash melons before it's ever even placed on the cutting board. Since they grow in the dirt, they can come with bacteria on the surface. And you don't want to put that on the cutting board before washing it really well with, actually I use hot water. So now to cut the watermelon, start by cutting off the stem end on both sides. And then you can flip it up so it can lay flat. Now it's a lot more secure for cutting. So this is a big watermelon. So to make it more manageable, let's cut it in half. Kind of stab it down through the middle and then follow the blade around until it's halved. So now flip it up here, to make it easier to work down around the sides. And make sure you cut off all of the rind, including all of the white. We don't want any white left, only nice bright red. So we're going to cut and turn, cut and turn, cut and turn, repeat all the way around the watermelon until we've gotten rid of all of the rind. So now you're going to cut the watermelon in one direction, about 1 inch to 1.5 inch slices, and kind of flip it down on its side. I do half at a time, so again you have a flat bottom, it's easier. I'm going to make another cut about 1 inch, 1.5 inches, so you have these strips, and then flip it one more time so that you end up with 1 to 1.5 inch cubes. And then you're just going to repeat the same cutting method to the other half of the watermelon. And with the watermelon salad, it's very important to use only fresh cut watermelon. You cut the watermelon today for today's watermelon salads. Anything that's left over should not be used to make salads, but can absolutely be used to make, given to the barista to make a puree for the watermelon chia cooler, or the watermelon chia drink. Now to assemble the watermelon salad, first we're going to turn a scale on, put the container, a little portion cup, and push 0. Okay, so now you can do your setups. The watermelon is 12 ounces per salad, so you can do 12-ounce setups. And when you're ready to make the salad, you just get yourself a salad bowl, add the watermelon, add your halved cherry tomatoes, your cucumber slices, which are also cut in half. They're like half moon shape. Sliced green onions. And now we add the chipotle vinaigrette. Of course, as always with dressings, you want to mix it really well before you scoop it with the ladle. Toss it until everything is very nicely coated in the dressing. And then now we're going to kind of pile it up as tall as we can in the center of the bowl. Okay, so now we're going to add the garnishes, roasted cashews, a little bit of goat cheese sprinkled on top. And last but not least, fresh mint. So fresh mint should always be stored whole on the stem or on the stalk in cold water. So when you need it, you should pull it out and you can pluck the leaves off and just kind of sprinkle them on top of the salad. Whenever you have really big leaves, of course you can tear them in half by hand. But with the fresh mint, it should never be chopped or sliced in advance. The freshness will be gone and it will turn black and the flavor changes, and it's just really not a good thing. So there's our beautiful summer watermelon salad.